It is raining heavily and the original rearview mirror is not clear. Turn on the left turn signal. This is the left view of the electronic rearview mirror. Very clear. Turn on the right turn signal. It was raining heavily outside, and the right view of the electronic rearview mirror was very clear. The original car's right view camera cannot see clearly. At night, the original car's left rearview mirror cannot see clearly. When you turn on the left turn signal, you can see the left side of the electronic rearview mirror very clearly. Cancel the turn signal and delay exiting for 3 seconds. When you turn on the right turn signal, you can see the right side of the electronic rearview mirror very clearly. However, the right side of the original car cannot be seen clearly.